What is going on? We're back looking at the crypto markets again. We got the Bitcoin chart pulled up. We got that half in 2020. We got that half in 2024 right here, right after the middle. We had that big run up the other day, going from 17 grand up to where we're sitting right about now, 20 grand. And we had a little bit of stoppage right there, getting on the other side of that horseshoe right there. Getting that U right there. So where we go from here, I think we're gonna go back and test this 2018-17 high of from about 17. We can go back over, well, we got up there. Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're retesting that 2017 all-time high. We pounced over. We're gonna go back and test that line, I believe, and then start trending back up some more. But it's just probably still looking at another 2 to 3 months before we see any kind of possible breakout of this triangle on Bitcoin. Now, what I think is going to happen, you're going to have Bitcoin come down and then do kind of a sharp move up, possibly to around 30,000. During that move, the altcoins, I believe, will be getting a lot of traction. So that's what you want to keep an eye on. But I think when we hit about 30,000, 31, when we hit this line right here, I believe we're going to have a little stoppage and start going back correcting. So I think we got about 3 months when we do this run. Maybe we'll have about 3 months where the altcoins are moving fairly quick. And then of course you got that halving coming up back here. But if we move up and correct back down, that'd put us right back around that 2017 high again for the next move. Go over and look at some other charts. XRP. This triangle way we got it drawn out, it's right on that line. I'm probably gonna keep moving. If this is the case and Bitcoin does the correction now, we'll probably see a correction in the altcoins also. But if Bitcoin turns after that and shoots out, that should push especially XRP right here out. Go look at XLM. Don't got a chart drawn up on this one, but similar thing right there, I believe. We're sitting above these supports right here. We're on a pretty strong support right now on XLM, sitting right about 8.5, between 8.5 and 9 cents. Move over and see what Litecoin is doing. Same thing going on here. Triangle, hitting the top of that triangle. Same thing. I think we'll have some correction coming in right now in the next couple of days. Got EOS is a little different here. As far as down we've came here. And I'm not even trusting this triangle right here. EOS, I just probably stay away from right now. It's kind of moving sideways and has been since June 22nd, June 22, 2022. But we had a little bump up there in September, come back down, and we already fell below supports here. So EOS, I'd probably be staying away from right now, even though we could still see a run on that. XTZ charts. held that support on the bottom there around there's Ethereum Classic real quick. Now if you look at Ethereum Classic, and I still think we've got this drawn out a little bit different here. I think you're more looking probably something like this. Like you're probably looking more something like that. When I saw that long line down right there, kind of following that, and then that bounce up and hit that red. So we're probably gonna see a possible correction, but the way this EOS or ETC, I'm sorry, ETC is holding the support line. All these altcoins right here looking to, like, if Bitcoin has that slump down right now, hits that bottom line, I see these altcoins doing the same. And then if they have if Bitcoin has that restart back run up to 30,000, I think we're going to see these altcoins really blast off outside this triangle. So you're looking like something like, I can kind of draw it out here, bounce off of that, and then you get a nice run up. At least I think you're going to come up to here at least before you have a correction. ETC about $74. You have a little correction there, and another run up. So that's what I think EOS, or ETC, I'm sorry, ETC is gonna possibly do here in the next, probably looking at a breakout around end of February or March on ETC. We'll go back and bring up XRP. That same thing played out with XRP, where we're correcting here. Say the lawsuit ends, you're gonna at least get up to here before you have a correction, probably. Same kind of similar pattern in a wider scale that Bitcoin just did. But even if you do that, have a little correction, another run up, and it could be something like this. I see XRP going way beyond this. Heading on over to CoinMarketCap, looking at the top 10 cryptos. You got Bitcoin, of course, coming in number 1. This is by market cap. You got ETH coming in at number 2, Tether coming in 3, BNB number 4, USD coin coming in at number 5, XRP rounding out the top 6 right there at 38 cents. You got number 7 Binance USD, number 8 Cardano, number 9 Dogecoin, and number 10 Polygon. You go by the 24-hour gainers. Convex Finance, CVX. You got Curve DAO token, Cronos CRO token. You got QNT, Kava, ZIL, AVE, FEI, USD, Fractshare, Casper, and True SUD, USD. All these similar patterns following the Bitcoin chart. Right here's going back to the Bitcoin chart. You got that horseshoe right there, where I've corrected this loss from back November 2022. Had that big run down. We've corrected. And we're seeing where we're going to go next, which I believe we hold this support here. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn those post notifications on. Let's go.